Brad Williams, I'm the head men's soccer coach at North Idaho College. We're here at the Coeur d'Alene Tribe today working with the kids, just trying to give them a soccer clinic with some of our guys that are still here. Yeah, we decided to hold the clinic here to check out this new field that they just put in, I think about a year ago, and also just wanted to be able to give back to the kids here over the spring break and teach them some things. Clinics like this are really important to show the kids that there's something else after that they can look forward to, like playing in college, hopefully inspire some young soccer players in our community.
Hi, my name is Cale McGowan. I'm from Post Falls, Idaho. Today we're down at the Coeur d'Alene Tribe doing a clinic for kids and teaching them how to play soccer. Clinics like these are important because it really helps teach the youth fundamentals of the sport and sometimes life lessons about hard work, dedication, and it really helps bring the community together. Yeah, I enjoy these events a lot because it really helps me connect with the younger kids, and it's fun to just see them get out, have fun, and just play some soccer.